I can't believe I just discovered this cabbage recipe. It's better than meat. First, let's take half a cabbage and grate it using a grater. The final result is amazing. Keep watching to see how incredible this recipe turns out. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug in the next video. Once grated, transfer the cabbage to a bowl and add a teaspoon of salt. Now, just mix everything well and set it aside. Let the cabbage rest, and in the meantime, let's prepare a finely chopped onion, which will give our dish an irresistible touch. Next, in a frying pan, add a little oil. When the oil is hot, add the onion and let it lightly brown. Once it's ready, set it aside. Now, back to the cabbage. We need to mash it well with our hands to squeeze out all the water it released. Then, transfer it to another container. At this point, add the browned onion, which will make everything even tastier. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, cumin, oregano, and a bit more salt. To bind it all together, we'll add 2 whole eggs. Besides being a super tasty recipe, it's perfect for any time of day. Next, mix everything really well. To coat our fritters on a plate, place 1 cup of breadcrumbs and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Now, mix it well so that all the ingredients come together deliciously. Next, make small fritters with the cabbage mixture, shaping them so they stay firm. Now, dip each fritter in the breadcrumb and Parmesan mixture to coat them well. Also, don't forget to not only share the recipe with your friends and family, but also rate the recipe from 0 to 10, so I know if you're enjoying it. Let's beat an egg in a separate bowl to add an extra crunch and a special touch to the dish. Today's hug goes to Pedro from Portugal. Thank you so much for sharing and commenting on our videos. Next, dip the fritters in the egg and then back into the breadcrumb and Parmesan mixture, ensuring a super crunchy coating. In the frying pan, add oil and heat it well. When the oil is hot, add the fritters, frying them on both sides until golden and crispy. With every flip, the aroma gets more irresistible. Once they're ready, transfer them to a plate with paper towels to absorb the excess oil. And to go with them, nothing better than a special sauce. In a bowl, mix chopped green onions, 1 grated garlic clove, 250 grams of plain yogurt, a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Stir well until everything is incorporated. This sauce is perfect for dipping our fritters and enjoying every bite. Our cabbage fritters are ready to be served. They turned out beautiful, crispy, and delicious. Thanks for watching all the way through. See you next time.